the 2025 Nissan Sunny is here, combining practicality, comfort, and modern design in a way that continues to define value in the compact sedan segment. In this video, we'll take a closer look at its main features, key components, and pricing, all within just 3 minutes. Cut to front view of the car. The exterior of the 2025 Sunny brings subtle refinements over the previous model. It now features a sharper V-motion grille, LED headlamps, and redesigned alloy wheels. The side profile remains aerodynamic, while the rear is enhanced with a sleeker bumper and signature LED tail lights. Transition to the interior. Step inside, and you're greeted with a surprisingly premium cabin for the price. The dual-tone dashboard with soft touch materials, an 8-inch infotainment touch screen supporting both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and a semi-digital instrument cluster are standout elements. Rear seat space remains a strong suit, offering ample legroom and headroom, making it ideal for both daily commuting and family trips. Focus on the infotainment screen and steering controls. The Sunny is equipped with Nissan Connect, which includes remote engine start, live vehicle tracking, and emergency calling features. Steering-mounted controls and a voice assistant system make hands-free interaction effortless. Cut to engine bay. Under the hood, the 2025 Sunny comes with a 1.5-litre, 4-cylinder petrol engine that delivers 118 horsepower and 149 Newton-meters of torque. It is paired with either a 5-speed manual or a smooth CVT automatic transmission, offering a mileage of around 17 to 19 km per litre, depending on the variant. Zoom into safety features. On the safety front, Nissan has loaded the Sunny with 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, brake assist, electronic stability control, and hill start assist. Higher variants also offer a 360-degree camera and blind spot detection. Cut to boot space. With 490 litres of boot space, it easily handles weekend luggage and daily grocery hauls. It's a sedan built for convenience without compromising on functionality. Display pricing chart with visuals of variants. Now, let's talk price. The basics variant starts at around a superscript 18.29 lakh, the mid-range XL and 15 variants fall between a superscript 19.2 to a superscript 110.5 lakh, and the fully loaded 15 premium CVT goes up to a superscript 111.99 lakh, ex-showroom. That makes it a solid contender in its segment, especially for those looking for value without skipping on features. Closing shot, car driving off into sunset. If you're looking for a stylish, comfortable, and feature-packed sedan under a superscript 112 lakh, the 2025 Nissan Sunny might just be the perfect fit.